In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and export a Miro board to PDF. If you've been working collaboratively in Miro and want to create a shareable, printable version of your board, a PDF is a great way to do that. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you're not missing anything. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Miro.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate the login option. It should be pretty easy to spot. Look towards the upper right corner of the page. Click on login and this will bring you to the sign in page where you can enter your credentials. Now if you typically use an email or Google account to access Miro, simply sign in using that method. Enter your email address and password, and with a quick tap on the continue with email button, you'll be ready to dive into your boards. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Miro dashboard where all your boards are neatly arranged. Scroll through and click on the board that you wish to export. This action will bring up the board, giving you full access to view and edit the content. At the very top of your screen, near where your board's name is displayed, there's a series of options including the export button. It might look like a little icon that represents saving or exporting. Go ahead and click on export this board. This is your gateway to the different formats you can export your board to. From the drop down menu that appears, select the option that says save as PDF. This option is exactly what you need to transform your digital board into a PDF file. This format is excellent for sharing with team members who might not have a Miro account or for keeping a record of your work offline. Once you've clicked Save as PDF, you'll see an export button. Click on it and Miro will begin converting your board into a PDF file. The size of the PDF download will depend on how much content you have on the board, so it could take a few moments. After the export process is complete, the file should automatically download to your computer, typically showing up in your Downloads folder or directly on your desktop depending on your browser settings. And that's it, you've successfully converted your Miro board into a PDF. Remember, this feature is incredibly handy for archiving projects or collaborating with folks outside your immediate team. Keep exploring and experimenting with Miro's tools to optimize your project workflows. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Until next time.